is.
How'd you get it back on?
Because I know how to work things.
Oh, you know how to work things, huh? All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring out the griddle and we're gonna put some butter, some butter on the griddle. It's a little hot, so let's turn that griddle down just a tad. Mmm. Mmm. Now we got some butter on the griddle. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these mashed taters and we're gonna put them right on there like that. Everybody get happy. Happy, happy. Happy, happy. Ooh, hear that sizzle? Come hither. You come hither. You don't belong over there. You come over here. Come hither. Come hither, you. Yeah. What we'll do is we'll hit them with a little bit more butter. Butter, butter, butter. Butter, butter, butter. Now these taters have been boiled already, so they're nice and soft. So can't do this with just a raw tater. So as you can see, they're already cooked. I popped them like a pimple, and now heat up a little bit, get them fried up. I don't know about you, but can you smell that?
Smells pretty good.
Doesn't smell pretty good. It smells damn good. So, let the taters just sit there and fry a minute. Get that butter up on them. I think everybody's got enough butter. Yeah. Got a little ice cold beer here. Let them do their thing. And when I do these taters like this here, since they've already been cooked, I'm not going to flip them. They're going to be pretty much seared on one side. So you're going to come off the grill just like that. So when I get ready to pull them off, we'll get back to you in a second.